Hi everyone, it is a short video. Actually I'm just helping you to provide some discount actually, because Hostinger is most powerful and most valuable service providing from few years actually. So Hostinger providing 80 and 81% discount, and I will provide extra 20% discount. So let's see how can you get that. I'm going to hostinger.com website. Okay, this is Hostinger website, right? And if I click on started, it's providing up to 80% off. Actually Hostinger providing 80% off. I'm clicking on any of the package, but I'm told you that it will, if you get a 48 month, then it will be better. Actually you will see the $167.52 to get the 48 month actually. So without applying the promo code or something like that, I will give you the magic link that will change the amount. Actually let's see, it is of 75% discount providing there. And if I click on the link, I will provide the link on the description box. Let's see what is happening here. Okay, I'm clicking on it, and you will see that your 20% discount will be applied at the checkout when you are selecting any annual hosting plan, right? Let's claim it. Okay, and I always recommend to use this because its space is more than, and automatically daily backup they are providing. It is great, and they are providing also free CDN. CDN is very powerful thing to speed up your website. So just I'm clicking on that, and you can see that it's 134.02 134, and it was like 170 minus 134, it's $33. You will get discount extra from my side. It's a little gift from me. And if you like the video, then I will motivated to create new video with this type of discount. Sorry. So feel free to ask any questions, and if you need any discount, then please let me know. I will provide the discount also.